Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Rohit Edu Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning about ear in detail. The ear is the organ of hearing and is also involved in balance. It is supplied by the 8th cranial nerve. It is also called as acoustic nerve. Now we will learn about ear. Ear is divided into 3 parts: outer ear, middle ear and the inner ear. Now we will learn about outer ear. Outer ear contains pinna, ear canal and eardrum. First we will learn about pinna. Pinna is also called as auricle and it is made up of cartilage. Pinna is fleshy external tissue which consists of a flap of cartilage and skin. Functions of pinna. Pinna collects and funnel sound waves into the ear canal. Now we will learn about ear canal. It contains 2 types of glands, ceruminous gland and sebaceous gland. Sebaceous gland is also known as oil gland. Structure of ear canal. A passage comprised of bone and skin. Functions of ear canal is leads sound waves to the eardrum. Now we will learn about eardrum. Eardrum is also known as tympanic membrane. Tympanic membrane looks like cone shape. Structure of eardrum. Thin membrane between the outer and the middle ear. Functions of eardrum. It is vibrates in response to the sound and transfers sound vibrations to the ossicles. The eardrum vibrates at the same frequency as the sound waves. This is all about outer ear. Now we will learn about middle ear. Middle ear consists of ossicles, oval window, round window, eustachian tube and ear ossicles. First we will learn about ossicles. Ossicles contains 3 bones, namely malleus, incus and stapes. Malleus is also known as hammer because it works like a hammer. Incus is also known as anvil and stapes is also known as stirrup. Between the malleus and incus, hinge joint is present. Between the incus and stapes, ball and socket joint is present. Stapes is the smallest bone in our body. We have to remember this point. Functions of ossicles. Amplify and transmit vibrates from the eardrum to the oval window. Now we will learn about oval window. Stapes is attached to the oval window. It is thin and flexible membrane. Now we will learn about functions. Functions of oval window. It is transmits vibrations from the stapes to the fluid in the cochlea. Round window. Round window is thin membrane between the middle and inner ear. Functions of round window. It is bulged outwards to allow for equalization of pressure in the cochlea when the oval window vibrates. Eustachian tube. Eustachian tube connects the middle ear to the pharynx at the back of the throat. Functions of eustachian tube. It is equalizes air pressure on both sides of the eardrum so that it is not overly stretched. Now we will learn about inner ear. Inner ear consists of 2 parts: vestibular apparatus and cochlea. Vestibular apparatus. The vestibular apparatus is involved in maintaining balance. Cochlea. Cochlea looks like snail-shaped spiral tube filled with fluid. Functions of cochlea. That is, hair cells acts as sound receptors. When hair cells bend, they generate nerve impulse. When we see internal structure of cochlea, it contains 3 compartments that are the scala vestibuli, the scala media and last the scala tymphanum. The scala vestibuli and the scala tymphan is filled with fluid which is called perilymph and the scala media is filled with fluid endolymph. Now we will learn about organ of Corti. The middle chamber of the cochlea consists of hair cells attached to the basilar membrane. Auditory nerve. Auditory nerve transmits nerve impulse to the brain for interpretation. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe for more videos.